As the economy and tourist industry of Goa grows further, another major fillip has been provided to it through the laying of the foundation stone of the Mopa Airport last month by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. Whilst on the aspect of economic benefits, another fact that merits mention here is that as the Indian Navy grows, a significant number of Indian naval ships are being constructed at Goa. This helps in building a very viable ecosystem for Goa, as apart from providing employment opportunities to the local population, it also helps in energizing the local industries. The Indian Navy and particularly naval aviation have historic ties with Goa. INS Hansa, located here at Dabolim, is the mecca of Indian naval aviation. The station houses potent and lethal aircraft manned by a very capable and highly trained crew. Many a fighter pilot, maritime patrol and helicopter aircrew have been groomed here before they took on live missions that have had a direct bearing on matters of national security. Large stretches of the ocean surround us, through which our vital trade and energy sea lines of communication flow. These are kept under constant surveillance by these professionals who operate out of the Naval Air Base. They maintain vigil way out at sea, flying through hazardous weather and dark nights so that our countrymen get a peaceful sleep at night. The airport at Dabolim is maintained and serviced by the Indian Navy and caters for 24 hours of operations. This requires considerable resources, man-hours, and efforts on part of the Navy. Further, the expansion of the runway for long-range maritime patrol operations at considerable cost to the Navy has also been a boon for Goa.